Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into the Motorola Moto G13, a budget-friendly smartphone that promises a lot for its price tag. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk design and build. The Moto G13 of may not boast premium materials, but its lightweight plastic body makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. It's slim and compact, fitting snugly in your hand or pocket. Plus, Motorola includes a free TPU silicone case for added grip, a thoughtful touch for a budget device. Moving on to the display, the Moto G13 sports a 6.5-inch IPS LCD panel with a 720p resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. While the resolution might seem modest, the display delivers acceptable brightness levels and decent colors. Off-angle viewing is impressive, but scrolling can feel a bit sluggish at times, which is worth noting. Under the hood, the Moto G13 packs a MediaTek Helio G85 chipset paired with 4GB of RAM. While it may not offer blistering performance, it handles everyday tasks with ease. Gaming is possible, though more demanding titles may stutter. However, for most users, the Moto G13 provides sufficient performance for their needs. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The Moto G13 features a 50-megapixels main shooter, accompanied by 2-megapixels macro and depth sensors. While it's commendable for a budget device to offer multiple lenses, the overall camera performance is mediocre. Photos lack vibrancy and detail, especially in low-light conditions. Video recording tops out at 1080p, delivering adequate but not outstanding results. One area where the Moto G13 truly shines is battery life. With its 5000 mAh cell, you can expect impressive longevity, easily lasting through a full day of use. While charging speeds may not be the fastest, the Moto G13's battery endurance more than makes up for it. Software-wise, the Moto G13 runs on Android 13 with minimal bloatware. Motorola promises security updates until January 2026, providing peace of mind for users concerned about long-term support. So, what's the verdict on the Motorola Moto G13? If you're on a tight budget, this smartphone offers solid performance, impressive battery life, and a decent display. However, its mediocre camera and occasional performance hiccups may be drawbacks for some users. Overall, the Moto G13 is a compelling option in the budget smartphone market, offering good value for money. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews of the latest tech products. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.